Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Ethereum price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the weekly chart here for an overview for the bullish and bearish scenario for Ethereum. We have here a finished impulse towards the upside 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing a wave 1 or a wave A. In this case scenario, of course, you would like to seek after a 3 corrective waves in both case scenarios, actually A, B, and a C. And obviously that this corrective, it did not, of course, finished already only here as 3 waves down. It has, of course, continued for a longer time while we don't have any kind of impulses, no 1, 2, 3, 4 interfering here with your wave 1, and of course there is no contracting diagonal, your wave 5 longer than your wave 3, and no double 1, 2s, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So without taking the all-time high as well, so definitely this turning, of course, in a corrective wave as a cycle, of course, and A, B, and a C, a regular flat wave C at a 1-to-1 fib level. Of course, it can be something else as well. It can be a WXY, guys. It can be a W for a zigzag, another WXY here for your wave X, a very complex structure because you have zigzag, zigzag down, another final zigzag for your wave X here, and then moving for another structure for your wave Y here. Your wave Y might be, of course, something like, it can be something like a zigzag or something like this. So these are the possibilities, guys. Right now, the highest possibilities is to move for a wave B or a wave 2. Yeah. So to find a wave B or wave 2, we need 3 corrective wave. It can be, of course, as you said, the WXY, the wave Y can be between this range 0.618 and 1-to-1 fib level. The wave Y has always very wide range. It can end up exactly at the 0.618 as well. $1,676, which it can be nice. And if we can see here, start 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation toward the upside, that might be your signal, of course, for higher prices. And this is a possibility. If we break this down, if we break the 0.618, we have to seek for the signal anywhere here, anywhere inside this range. We have to seek for it, and once we get it, then we have to call a bullish scenario in a bullish cycle. For a bigger 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, or probably A, B, and a C. Very long wave C is gonna be. If we move a little bit inside on the 4-hour chart here, you are inside your wave, your final structure for a probable wave Y. As you can see, you can get here some insights what's going on. So we have probably a 1, 2. Probably we have a 1, 2 here, and another 1, 2, 3, 4. Your wave 4. Did it invalidate this bearish scenario? So let's check. Was it touched? No, it was not taken. You see, there's still a very tiny gap, very tiny gap before invalidation. So it's not invalidated yet. This 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 still in play. It can be an A, B, C, D, and an E, probably for a wave 4. It loves triangles, something like this, right? And still moving probably down for a wave 5. Currently we are in an A, B, C, D, and an E, so let's mark this as well. Probably it would be nicer. B, C, D, and an E, and oops, that was an A, B, C, sorry. So A, B, C, D, and an E. So basically one more leg toward the downside and one smaller toward the upside, probably finishing this correction. Very boring, I know, very boring, but these are triangles. Possibilities, of course, higher possibilities is, of course, to take this low. Now, possibilities for bullish, of course, always there are bullish scenarios. Possibilities for bullish is a bigger way, A, B, and a C. You cannot really count impulse here. It looks like 3 waves up. So possibly a longer wave C towards the upside, A, B, and a C, invalidation, getting invalidation and transforming this into something else. Again, it can be a bigger W, X, and a Y. Your wave Y is somehow turning into something like very complex. In this case, if you are finishing kind of like a zigzag like this, and this is your X, so this is a perfect WXY. W, X, and a Y. And your wave Y might be a big zigzag, like A, B, and a C. Your wave B might be this thing here that might be bullish a little bit, and then of course moving toward the downside again. So yeah, if we take a look at KGT as well, we can see a very strong signal, bearish signal convergence with, of course, the price action. The bullish signal divergence here has been given, but it has been followed up directly with a bearish signal. Don't forget that we can still get higher, until we get the low, the high here. Where if the price action get the high, we invalidate this signal, but it's very far possibility and cannot go very far high with a lot of pressure already, with the 500 strength without moving down. So higher probability, of course, to move toward the downside. So these are the possibilities. That was it for Ethereum. Let's watch and see what's gonna happen. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.